Díadíomh cairde agus fáilte rais go féile Earraigh Féile ceacht a déich. Lesson 10. Féile Earraigh Féile, the West Belfast Festival, Earraigh online with me. Yum. Seamus. Ceacht a déich. Oh, wacca tú an lécht? Wacca tú an lécht? Lecture? Wacca tú an lécht? Earraigh? Did you see the lecture online? Wacca tú? Seamus? Did you see Seamus? Hannick. You hear people saying Hannick mission agus Hannick mission. Either or. Just don't start fighting. Hannick me Seamus. I saw Seamus. Hannick me an lécht. I saw the lecture. Hannick me na poisty. I saw the children. Wacca tú an teis me bóchar? Wacca tú an teis me bóchar? Did you see the teisme accident? Bóchar of the road accident? Wacca tú an teis me bóchar? Niaki. And you'll hear people say niaka. Wacca tú Seamus? Hannick. Did you see Seamus? Hannick. Wacca tú na poisty? Niaki. Every day do you see Seamus? So, vecin tú Seamus gach lá every day? Vecin tú Seamus gach lá? Chim, I do see. Yes, chim. Chim Seamus ahan lá. Chim na poisty ahan lá. I see the children every day. Chim na poisty dóna has dalach. There's an idiomatic expression there for you for 7 days of the week. Every day of the week. Dóna has dalach. Chim na poisty dóna has dalach. Chim ma van chéile dóna has dalach. Chim ma ar chéile, my husband. Chim mar chéile dóna has dalach. Chim ma van chéile dóna has dalach. Chim. Or niekim, I don't see. Niekim na poisty ahan lá. I don't see the children every day. Niekim ma wahat. I don't see my mother. Niekim ma wahat ahan lá. Niekim ma cairde ahan lá. Ma cairde, my friends. Niekim ma cairde ahan lá. I don't see my friends every day. But tomorrow, an veci tú de cairde amórach. So veci tú de cairde amórach? Chiffy or chiefy? Chiffima amórach who? I will see tomorrow you. I'll see you tomorrow. Chiffima amórach who? Chiffima amórach I will see her tomorrow. Chiffima amóracha, I will see him tomorrow, or I will see it tomorrow. Chiffima na poisty amórach, I will see the children tomorrow. So, did you see? Wacca tú? Hannick? Niaki. Do you see? Vecin tú? Chim? Niakim. Will you see? Veci tú? Chiffy? Niaki. Some people might say feci mehu. I'll see you tomorrow. Feci me amórachu, which is fine. Chiffy me amórachu. Chief me amórachu. If you're in Waterford, they'll say Kiama. I will see. Okay, so normally in Ulster Irish, well, here in Belfast anyway, we'll say chiffy or chiefy, but that's Ulster Irish. So that was ceacht a déich. Wacca honnig niaki. Vecin tú chim niakim. Mórach veci tú chiffy niaki. Okay? Slán, enjoy. Slán.